I think for me personally, that's been one of the most challenging things. Just as a business traveler, it's not only do you have to figure out, your schedule and your willingness and your company's own philosophy to travel, but are your customers going to be willing to receive you at this point? And we've really got to navigate those things as we return here. So why don't I bounce it over to Beth? Beth, at Cloud5, what are your current travel philosophies? Obviously, you're home based in Vegas and you're traveling to Chicago for some headquarter meetings, but are you seeing Cloud5 travel now? And are there any indicators you're seeing in the hospitality market that are positive for you?
Yeah, I mean, good indicators. We were traveling all last year doing installs, of course, adhering to all of the safety protocols, but we are starting to see, just in general, my team, the sales team, start to travel a little bit more. And it really is dependent upon kind of the customer and what their comfort level is. And so that's where we're just letting it kind of happen organically. And the customers that are comfortable, that are ready to see people face to face in 3D, as I call it, we're going there. Because I think, to Jeff's point, there's just so much pent up demand. People are ready to get beyond kind of just seeing everyone on your screen, and really get back to that face to face interaction. We're hospitality for a reason, right? We all thrive on being able to just really interact on a just global overall level, right? And so we're seeing that. The one thing that I think we're seeing also is, it's nice that we have a benefit with our contact center, that we kind of start to get early indicators before the industry is seeing it, because we're taking gen res calls, right? So we were really getting a lot of demand, and really, frankly, just slammed for those areas where Jeff was talking about, right? The leisure areas, the resort areas, the kind of coastal. So that's a positive indicator that consumer confidence is coming back, and it's a good thing. I think that business travel will start to just slowly inch up month over month throughout this year, which is good for everyone. It's good for the industry. It's good for the bigger cities, right? Because those are the ones that are the hardest hit and are the slowest to come back right now.